Where are we going?
To the zoo.
How about you? Yeah.
Why don't we get out?
We're almost there.
And we'll get out
Brianna,
too.
you excited?
Yeah.
Yes. Hi. So where are we? It's called Oakland Zoo. It's very close. What is this?
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
We're here at the tiger. We're going to the tigers.
Oh, I see him. Wow. There's two of them.
This was the circus cage, but not anymore because you don't see it. Meet Milou, meet Ginger, meet Molly. Those are 3 tigers. Did you know tigers are the largest cat species in the world? That's awesome! The story of the tigers. This is the Great CURASSOW.
There's monkeys in here.
Okay.
We are in white-handed gibbon. Why are they not swinging? Here's the Malayan hornbill. Let's see another one. Here's the chimpanzee. Oh, look! One is playing with a toy and one is sleeping. Shh. It must be really tired of doing something.
Here's the turtle.
Where? I can't.
Not in here. I don't know. Let's find it.
Turtles.
Oh, right there.
I see it. Let's go closer. Look, I see the tortoise. It's very big than the turtles. They're smaller than the tortoise. It's much bigger.
Wow.
Can I go in there? Can
I
I?
don't think we can go in.
But why is it open? We're
You
still.
said don't touch the glass because we don't want to wake them up, right?
That
Oh,
was.
there's a lady.
That
She's
was
eating.
Yummy. What's she doing?
Say, what are you eating?
Like apple.
You guys hungry? The play area are closed right now. Oh yeah, there's a play area closed. Closed.
This is the lemurs.
You find it?
Yeah.
Where are the lemurs? Are you playing hide and seek with us?
Gotta be hiding somewhere.
These are the fruit bats. See the fruits? Look at the bats' faces. These are different kinds of faces. Look at the fruits and look, there's a teddy bear.
Where's alligator? Oh my god!
I want to
It's
see.
right there.
Look, there's crocodiles and there's 3. They might be together and they will eat us all up. But they're in a cage, so I'm not scared. Guinea forest hogs.
Guinea hog.
Guinea hog.
Let's find out.
What's the guinea? Guinea hog.
I don't see it. It's all there.
Hey, I'm a black piggy.
Where are we now? It looks like closed. Nope. Yeah, the play area is closed right now. Sorry.
Let's see the giraffe. No playing. Nope.
You want to go in there? I'm sorry. Closed.
Baboons. Baboons are here. See them? Look, I see one. I know, I can't see.
猴子英文怎么说呀？
No, you're not.
小心。Monkey 是不是啊？
Look,
They're like fighting each other. She's pooping.
Reservation's over. Yeah.
How about the legs pooping?
They're so cute.
No.
He's holding the tail too. Look, to make sure he's not falling. It's like mommy and
We're in the Warthog.
what is this? Are you excited? Oh, open. Oh, what's this here? Whoa, here's the giraffe.
Why is there something else in?
Whoa, right there. Just right beside you. Look at that.
Did you know that giraffes have a long, long neck so they can reach leaves on the trees? Of your style, giraffe. Oh, thank you. That's the eland.
Zebra. Is that zebra there? No.
That's a
Elan? Elan. Brianni. This way. Look at the bear. It's wearing mask. So be safe.
6 feet apart. Why is there FT?
Feet means FT means feet.
Oh.
So we're gonna ride this one.
Yeah.
So what do you think we're gonna see him here?
I don't know.
Where are we going? Riding this? Make sure you sit down, okay? Hey, go in.
You don't wipe this down?
Okay.
Up in the sky. We're gonna see more stuff, and we're here. There it is, look. We're going to the great wolf. Oh! These are the wolf's body language. It's a condor. Condors are the largest bird in North America, larger than bald eagle, gold eagle, turkey vulture, red-tailed hawk. This condor egg. To be continued, part 2. See you in the next video.